If you're new to AnyList or just looking for ways to make better use of it, we have a few recommendations for how to organize and optimize your grocery shopping. We'll focus on 4 areas where AnyList shines as a household utility: reusing lists, adding items to your lists, tips for when you're shopping, and tips to organize your lists for shopping at more than one store. Each list you create in the app is separate, with its own favorite items, categories, stores, and other properties. We recommend keeping a single grocery list and reusing it when you shop, instead of starting over with a new one each time. That way, you'll be able to take full advantage of any favorite items you've saved, custom categories or stores you've created, and recent items that have automatically been remembered by the app. Next, we'll learn about different ways to add to your lists using recent items, favorites, and voice assistants. When you start typing in the Add Item field, AnyList will suggest common and recent items. You usually only need to type a couple of letters before AnyList will suggest the item you want. When you're building a list, you can save time by designating favorite items. To add an item to your favorites, tap the pencil icon to the right of the item, then tap on the star button. You can also add multiple items from your list to your favorites all at once. First tap on the More Actions button, then tap on Select and Edit Items. Then, before you build your weekly list, you can open the Favorite Items screen and quickly add the ones you need to your shopping list. You can also add items to your lists using voice assistants, like Siri and Alexa. For example, you can ask Siri to add an item to a destination list. Just be sure to include the phrase "in AnyList" in your command, like this: "Hey Siri, add apples to my grocery list in AnyList." You can also use AnyList with Alexa on Amazon devices. Try saying, "Alexa, ask AnyList to add apples to my grocery list." Once you're at the store, you can tap on items on your shopping list to cross them off. You can even choose whether to cross off items with a single tap or a double tap in the app's settings. You can also tap this I button to show or hide crossed off items. When you're finished shopping, we recommend deleting all your crossed off items to remove your purchases from your list. That way, your list will always be focused on your current shopping needs and won't be cluttered with old items. Deleting the crossed off items does not remove them from your favorites list, so they'll still be there when you're ready to plan your next shopping trip. Recently deleted items can also be found on the Recent Items screen. A subscription to AnyList Complete gives you access to AnyList Stores and Filters features, which allow you to assign items to one or more stores. Your list can then be filtered to display only the items available at the particular store where you're shopping, along with store-specific item prices if you choose to add them. AnyList also includes an advanced feature called Category Sets that you can use to change the order of your list's item categories. This allows you to customize the order of categories on your list to match the layout of the stores where you shop. For example, bakery first at one store and produce first at another. Whether you're a novice in the app or a well-seasoned power user, these tips can make AnyList an indispensable utility in your household. To learn more, check out our help site, help.anylist.com. Whatever's on your list, check it off with AnyList.